Okay, yes, we're going. What is going on? So I am so excited. We're going out. So we're just doing like a casual night in Playa del Carmen, 5th Avenue. This is kind of our routine almost every night. And now that my foot has gotten so much better, if you don't know, I broke my foot. I am able to explore more. Cleopatra and I are able to explore more. So let's go. So our first stop normally on our casual evenings here in Playa del Carmen is food, guys, okay? So it is Sunday here. It is the Lord's Day here in Mexico. So like at least 50% of all businesses and even street vendors are closed. So we are going to just go. What I do is just I walk around and then whatever I kind of feel like eating. Today is going to be like completely winging it. And just going with the flow, just showing you, you know, from like a bird's eye view and perspective. Oh, okay, it's just a flower. You know, here in Playa, just what you could do. Hola, buenos días. Where I'm staying is considered downtown or centro. Well, I'm centro, but still downtown. So on Sundays they do have, and really all weekend, they have this really cute, I don't want to say farmer's market, more like a bazaar on 8th Street. So that is where we are headed. They have food, they have drinks, they have churros, which I am obsessed with. So that is where we are going right now. So I made it to the bazaar. So here it is 8th Street and Avenida 15. There you go. I don't wear my glasses half the time, so I can barely see. So 8th Street and Avenue 15, they have a bazaar from 4 to 10, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And again, they have, you know, some street food. They have local stuff that they're selling. I had seen honey the other day, which I'm totally gonna get, and a whole bunch of stuff. There's actually a concert going on, which I had no idea. Lorena Tremi, they just told me. I might know her songs. I'm not very good with celebrities and names, but that's exciting. So we're gonna get a free show also. Look, it's my friends. They have their street food vendor on 14th Street right by Soriana. I love them. So, ¿me da un chorizo y queso?
Sí, con plátano macho.
Sí, yeah, dame un eso.
Completa no macho, chorizo y queijo.
Yeah. Gracias. Look at that. That looks so good.
Where you from?
Nueva York, New York.
Ah, pero tú hablas español.
Yeah, poquito. Got something else. This is like a complete dessert drink. Never heard of it before, but it's basically crushed ice with a fresh berry syrup, maracuya, which is passion fruit, bananas, pineapples, whipped cream, condensed milk, and then topped with cocoa powder. So I have no idea. It looks really good though. Wow. Wow. That is so good. I saw him making it and I needed to order it. But wow. So good. I just feel like all my videos are just food diaries. Just like my bank statement is just a food diary. But oh my god, guys, that is so good. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish the whole thing, but wow. When I saw him putting the cocoa on the top, I was like, oh, that's kind of a little weird, but it totally works. Oh my god, that's so good. And a little fun fact about myself, I am obsessed with maracuya. Passion fruit, if it's passion fruit anything, I am all about it. Oh my god, that is so good. Good times.
¿Se les antoja pozolito? Delicioso pozole.
Wow.
Si se les antoja, no lo duden, por favor.
Ya, uno pequeño.
Ok, sale y vale. Delicioso.
Mira. Yummy, yummy. Okay, guys, as you saw, I caved and I got the pozole, but I had to, okay? I've been here for over 2 months and I have yet to see this anywhere or have it. I mean, yes, I know I had a broken foot, so I couldn't really go a lot of places, but I had to get it. So pozole is a soup and it's with pork, and pozole itself is in like the corn family. It's a different type of corn kernel, but you could see here, or if you can see, it's like a larger type of corn, and it almost has like the consistency of like corn and chickpea. That's kind of what they remind me of, is more of like a chickpea than actual corn. But it is so good, I couldn't resist it. I got the small. It is what it is, guys. That's good. And there's like huge chunks of meat in here too. I put a little fresh lime, onion, radish. That pozole was so good, but I had to get out of there because I would have just continued to order food, and that is not what I'm trying to do. So Cleopatra and I now are gonna start heading toward 5th Avenue, walk up and down, walk off the food that we just ate, and show you around. Thank you so much for coming with me tonight. I'll see you guys soon.